Jai Hind friends. So here are 15 questions for you. This question definitely will check your level of preparation for the UPSC Civil Services Prelims exam this year or forthcoming exams. So let's start with this quiz. You have to just comment your answer, right? So the question number first is a future for the World Children's report is published by number one World Health Organization, UNICEF, and the third is the Lancet. So which of the above is oblique are correct? Option number A 1 and 2, option number B 2 and 3, option number C 1 and 3, and option number D all of the above. So comment your answer. Next question. Consider the following statement with respect to Central Consumer Protection Authority, that is CCPA. Statement 1: the district collectors have been empowered to conduct investigations that affect interests of consumers under the aegis of CCPA. Second statement: it is to be set up under Consumer Protection Act, that is CPA 2019. So which of the above is oblique are correct? Option number A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. Next question. Makuhe Nakchi is associated with which of the following states? Number one, number option number A Manipur, B Nagaland, C Mizoram, D Ladakh. So comment your answer. Next question. Sadang Handu is associated with which of the following state? Option number A Nagaland, B Manipur, C Mizoram, and D Meghalaya. So comment your answer. Next question. Consider the following statement with respect to Bengal's loris. So first statement, it is listed as the vulnerable on the IUCN red list. Second, it is only found in India and Bangladesh. So which of the above is oblique are correct statements? Option number A 1 only, B that is 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. Next question. Consider the following statement with respect to Wave Summit 2019. First statement, it will be organized by Niti Aayog. Second statement, it will be the largest gathering of young women students to promote entrepreneurship in waste management and providing alternatives to the single use plastic carry bags. So which of the above is oblique are correct? Option number A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. Comment your answer here. Next questions. Consider the following statement with respect to Sugama Bharat Abhiyan. Sugam Bharat Abhiyan. Uh, so statement 1, it is a nationwide flagship campaign for the achieving universal accessibility that will enable persons with the disabilities to gain access for equal opportunity and live independently and participate fully in all aspects of life in an inclusive society, right? So second statement, it is conceptualized by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So which of the above is oblique are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. Next question. Consider the following statement with respect to enemy property. Enemy property in India. Statement 1, it refers to any property that was belonging to a person who migrated from India to an enemy country when a war broke out. And second statement is enforcement directorate is the custodian of enemy properties in India. So which of the above is are correct? A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. This is very important question. So next question. Krushak Assistant for Livelihood and Income Augmentation, that is Kalia scheme, offers a direct benefit cash transfer of rupees 25,000 for a farm family over 5 seasons to small and marginal farmers. It is associated with which of the following state? Option A Andhra Pradesh, B Odisha, C Maharashtra, and D is Telangana. So comment your answer here. This is also very important question. Actually, all are important questions. Okay, so the 10th question is Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, that is APEDA, is mandate with the responsibility of export promotion and development of which of the following products. So first product is here alcoholic beverage, second gargum, and three herbal and medicinal plants. So which of the above is are correct? A is one only, B is two only, and C both one and two, and D is neither one nor two. So comment your answer. Next question, which of the following statement is are correct? First statement, register of indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland, that is RIN, RIIN. Objective is to prevent people from the acquiring fake indigenous inhabitants certificates. So second statement, inner line permit, that is ILP, is a temporary travel document an Indian citizen has to possess to enter protected area of the northeast. So which of the above is are correct? Option A one only, B two only, C both one and two, and D neither one nor two. Comment your answer. So next question, which of the following is our problem associated with RO desalination? Okay, so deposition of highly concentrated salt water along the shores. Second, reduce availability of fishes along the coast. And which of the above is are correct? Option A one only, option B two only, option C both one and two, and D neither one nor two. Comment your answer here. Next questions, which of the following pair is are correctly matched? Arak Iran, Baku Azerbaijan, Bagan Laos. Which of the statement given above is are correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3, all of the above. Comment your answer. Next question, Kharnakas are an aging type from option A Jammu Kashmir, B Lakshadweep, C Nicobar Island, and D Goa. Comment your answer. And the last question is, consider the following statement with respect to Kuagam festival. So statement 1, it is an occasion for the collective expression of transgender identity. Second statement, it is held to commemorate a story from the Mahabharata where Aravan, one of the son of Arjuna, offers himself as a sacrifice to ensure victory for the Pandava army in the battle of the Kurukshetra. So which of the statement given above is oblique are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1 2 3. So कमेंट योर आंसर. आई होप कि आप लोगों ने सभी क्वेश्चंस को यहाँ पे कमेंट्स किया हो. सो डेली प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए. सो ये सब रैंडम क्वेश्चंस थे. सो 2 अक्टूबर से हम पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक जैसे सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्वेश्चन की सीरीज चलाएंगे और रोज़ इस क्वेश्चन की जो नंबर है उसको भी हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे. जहाँ पे हम 15 क्वेश्चन करते हैं डेली, वहाँ पे हम डेली 30 क्वेश्चन करेंगे और वो भी सब्जेक्ट वाइज करेंगे. तो जैसे कि 2 अक्टूबर से हमारी प्रीलिम सीरीज स्टार्ट हो रही है जिसमें हम ज्योग्राफी और पॉलिटी के लेक्चर शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. सो डू सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर दिस चैनल. Thanks for watching.